Welcome you all. Today we are here with another idiomatic expression and that is on the air. On the air which means broadcast or broadcasting. इसको हम उर्दू में नशर होना या करना, रेडियो या टीवी पर नशर होने वाला कोई प्रोग्राम, as it is there into this picture that a program is on the air, यानी कोई प्रोग्राम नशर हो रहा है. How we are going to make sentences of this idiomatic expression? The Prime Minister will be on the air, it means to say will be broadcasting at 9:15 p.m. Here is how we are going to use this idiomatic expression in this sentence. The interview will be on the air tomorrow. यानी कल इंटरव्यू नशर किया जाएगा. So once again we have used this idiomatic expression in this sentence, on the air.